How's life, YouTube? This is Ivan, and I just brought the first batch of Trial Deck 5 Gold Paladin. As you can see, it came with a playbook, first guide, and a play mat, which is standard for all the trial decks. Other than the deck, it also came with a promo pack that comes in the first batch. So let's try opening the promo packs first. Let's see. What shall I get?
Double Riser! No Double Riser.
Damn you guys.
Double
How is it
Riser.
so hard? Jesus, I put that for fun.
Double Riser.
Rising Phoenix! Rising Phoenix!
Why are you so happy about it? Wrong layer. How come the scissors is blood?
Budget.
Budget.
Pasar malam.
I'm surprised. Let's see. It's a Gold Paladin. Black Knight Rodent.
Lucky.
Rodin to be exact. It has the same effect as Blazer Pleasures, the one from the Bermuda. If you get what I mean. Okay, let's move on to the trial deck. Let's see. Standing points. No.
Dead.
Screw it. Okay, let's move on.
Go.
Hello YouTubers, sorry for the sudden cut of video that we are doing. Basically our camera has died due to unforeseen circumstances. Maybe it was not because of memory, but yeah. So I'll be doing the effects, explaining the effects of Gold Paladin units. So let's begin. Firstly is the cover card, Gamma. Its effect is Limit Break 4. When he attacks a Vanguard, it plus 5,000 attack points. Wow, that's big. And the second effect is quite similar to Alfred, just that when he's doing the riding phase. So the effect is when it's called to the Vanguard circle, you may pay the cost of by counter blasting 2 cards. If you do, you are able to search for a grade 2 or lower Gold Paladin unit and superior core lead. Okay, next we move on to the Slager. I think its effect is if you have 4 or more Gold Paladin units on the field, you may pay the cost of by counter blasting 1 card. It plus 2,000 attack points until the end of that turn. Wow, it's another one of the good effects. Not bad for the trial deck. Let's move on to the right side of Gamma, which is I do not know who is this guy.
IG, right?
Okay, sorry about that, YouTubers. The effect is when it attacks, you may counter blast 1. If you do, it plus 3,000 attack points. Wow. Okay, let's move on to the grade 2s. As you can see, this is the big sticks of the Gold Paladin. Basically, yeah, they're just big to attack and defense.
Just a big stick.
Yeah, just a big stick. So let's move on. It's a grade 2 Slager. It practically has the same effect as the grade 3, so I do not think that I will need any further explanation on it. So let's move on. This is a Mammal Lion. Its effect is the same as the Royal Paladin Knight of Truth Gordon. When it intercepts, it shields plus 5,000. Oh my god, and it times 4. That's crazy. Okay, let's move on. This is I do not know about this card. Basically, if your hand size, when he attacks, if your hand size is smaller than your opponent, it's attack plus 3000. Wow, you could play the Yu-Gi-Oh version of Infernity. Okay, so this is another deck exclusive. I do not know the card's name, so yeah. When it's called to the rear guard circle, you may Soul Blast 2. If you do, you may draw a card. Okay, so let's move on. This is the Grade 1 Big Stick of the Gold Paladin. It's already standardized to play 4 big sticks in a deck, so yeah, so let's move on. Okay, this card has the same effects as Iron Tail from the Kagero clan. Counter blast 1 to add 1000 attack points. So yeah, and this is also another Kagero this is the Gold Paladin version of Flame of Hope Ermo. When this unit boosts attacking unit and the attack hits, you may allow to drop a card and draw a new card from your deck. Okay, this yes, this is quite painful. This unit, when it boosts Gamma during an attack, you may Soul Blast 1. Its attack will instantly add 5000. Wow, so a total of 21,000. Wow, that's big. Imagine with limit break. Okay, let's move on. This is yes, this is the Blazer Pleasures version, Gold Paladin version. Its attack is its effect is when you call to the rear guard circle, one of your other Gold Paladin units gets 2000 attack points. So it's quite good in a way. So yeah. And these all are the triggers and the starting vanguard. It looks quite cute. Oh wow, yeah, that's with the kit. Okay, then we have the 4 triggers, 4 criticals, 4 draws, 4 stab, and 4 gay heals. So that's practically about all about the review. So thank you YouTubers for watching, and keep a lookout for the next deck list of OTT Oracle Team 10 version made by our friend Zed. Thank you.
Thank you.